Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video we are going to see how to install Xampp in Windows 10. First we need to download Xampp software. Go to your browser, type Xampp. Now go to the download section. Here we have various versions. Download the latest version 7.2.30. I've already downloaded the file, so I'll cancel it. Here's the setup file. Open it. Now it shows a warning message. Please avoid to install Xampp to program files. It may miss some write permissions or deactivate USC with the msconfig. You can just directly install Xampp on the C drive without going to program files. Now press OK. This is the installation wizard. Press next. These are the features that are available in Xampp. If you don't want some of the features means you can just uncheck it. I'm going to install all the features. Press next. By default it's going to install in C drive with Xampp folder. That's fine for us. Press next. The language by default is English, so we will continue. Next, next, next. Now it started installing. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for the installation to complete. It asks for the permission. Just click allow access. Now the installation is completed. Click finish. This is the control panel of Xampp. If you want to start some service means you just need to click start and you can do the configurations for each server. Now I will start Apache server. This is the port number that the server is running. Now open your browser. Type http://localhost. Press enter. Now the homepage of Xampp is opened. This is the local server that we have started. You can also create your own HTML file to display here. If you want to stop the service means you can just directly click the stop button. Now the service is stopped. That's it guys. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.